Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay tutuklasin natin ang kasaysayan, prinsipyo ng arnis. Arnis, also known as eskrima or kali. It was crucial for hunting and tribal warfare using stick, blade, and other tool. During the Spanish colonial period, from 1595 to 1865, arnis served as form of resistance. Filipino practiced in it secret, disguising their training as traditional dances to avoid detection by Spanish authorities. Arnis became a symbol of guerrilla warfare, embodying the struggle of freedom. Its techniques, using stick and blade, and empty hand. During the American colonial period, from 1898 to 1946, arnis gained international recognition. Filipino martial artists shared their skill with the U.S. military, expanding the art of beyond of Filipinos. Thank you for joining on this brief journey through history and principle of arnis.